Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. Do you like my hair for the holidays? Say hi Nala. Say hi mommy. So if you need last minute presents, especially for hair care, I wanted to show you a few things that I have. I don't know if you guys remember a vlog way back when. I had a bonnet that was sage green. I still have it. I actually think it's in the wash right now. But it was from Yanibest. So I have some Yanibest stuff, which I'm super excited to unbox with you. I haven't unboxed them. I've been dying to use them, but I wanted to wait to unbox them with you on camera. So this is going to be a very quick video, but I definitely wanted to share this with you because you get it for a present, anniversary, a burr basket. I can't wait to do a burr basket for my friends and to get one. But let's get started. I love the box and the packaging. It's so cute. Like, it's gold, it's beige. I would keep these just for decoration. But also I would keep these to put like a card or a letter in. I think it'd be really cute, like to re-gift, like make this the gift box. But anyway, here it is. Excuse the lighting. And basically it says on the back, hair soft, moisturized, tangle free, anti-frizz, anti-static. It is your trustable hair helper, hair health treatment. And it says wake up and be radiant. Who doesn't want to wake up and be radiant? So let's open it up. Pink. Ay, se cayó. Pink. So here it comes with a cute little scrunchie. And here, you want to smell? And it's like a bonnet basically, and it's satin on the inside and on the outside. And what's really great, it is reversible. So if you have a black outfit or a pink outfit for pajamas and you want to match, there you go. So it also comes with some Better Care wash instructions, and it's just to make sure you have your satin last a lot longer and doesn't tarnish. I have had the other Yanibest, the green one, since the summer. So probably a little bit more than 6 months, and it's still like I first got it. So that's good. Then it says here there is an adjustable band to tighten. Comfortable fit, no slipping. So if you see here, it's elastic, but then right here, right next to the Yanibest logo, there's a little like almost bra hook type thing, and you just pull it and it makes it tighter so it doesn't slip off your head. So I love that. I love that. It's so much easier than like actually tying the knot around your head. So that's the first one. Let's open this one. Ah, so excited. And I love that it has the B there. You know? B for Betty. We believed we could, so we did. Rise and shine. You guys, I'm sorry the lighting is a little off. Like, these boxes just have the cutest sayings. So this one says, wake up and be radiant. And this one says, we believed we could, so we did. Rise and shine. I love that. I so love that. This I love so much. Can you guys see it? Because the lighting is just not being our friend at the moment. Let's see. Can you see it now? I think you can. Let's see. What if I just put this there? Okay. So here's the beanie. And tell me how amazing this is. Are you ready? Are you ready? You guys. It's satin lined beanie. It is a satin lined beanie. So in the winter, and even now if it's cold, you can put it on and you're stylish, but you're still protecting your hair. Like, tell me that is not the greatest thing ever. I'm just completely excited about this. And then this also comes with a little card. Shine your natural beauty from the inside out. We don't want our customers' hair to shine. We want their confidence to shine. We want their self-worth to shine, and we want their positivity to be contagious. I love that. I love that. Okay, so here's the last one. It says style up and be radiant. It has a velvet feel to it. It comes with 2 scrunchies. It also comes with this cute clip that you could use even if you don't use like the overnight curls. Like if you just wanted to style your hair and pin it back like I do, just to get your hair out of your head. So this also comes with directions. And I love that it's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this later. I'm gonna comb out my hair and then wrap it without straightening it. I don't want to straighten it, just to see if I can get voluminous curls on kind of like frizzy combed out hair. That would be pretty cool. So I'm definitely gonna try that, and I'll film that also with my phone and show you guys in a clip somewhere. So see? So actually this kind of works out because it's kind of like a 2-step process, because you would put the clip here to hold in that one piece, and then you have the 2 scrunchies, right? And then when you're sleeping, you can put the bonnet over your head, like over the whole thing. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 when you get both of these. And then when you want to keep your style when it's cold out and you like beige like me, you can wear the beanie. So yeah, I really hope that you like this video talking about hair care. It's really important for me to keep my natural curls, and you can see it's a little frizzy. You know, keep them and love them, because a while ago, I would even say a year ago, I wasn't really happy with my curly hair. I always wanted to straighten it, and I didn't straighten it, but I would just complain about my curly hair because I know heat damage isn't good either. So when I was younger, I used to straighten it all the time, but now I'm starting to accept my curls so much more and love them and find different ways to style them. So I'm really excited to have all these products to just really protect my hair. And like it said on the advertising, on the and like it said on the box, you know, be confident, rock your curls. Right now, right, babe? So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you actually want to know about my hair care routine, let me know. If you want to know the products that I use, also let me know. And yeah, mama, you want to close out? You want to say besos? Saludo. Nala, saludo. Good. Mommy, saludo. Good girl. And until my next video, you guys, besos.